What is love? Do, 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 do. What is love? Do, do, do. What is love? Do, 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 do. What is love? 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 Love is being out here in a freezing cold studio. You can see my breath today. Whew, it's chilly. But I love the love show, and here I am making the love show. Welcome to the love show, where we grapple with the question, what is love? I am Mililli. Today's episode asks, is love unity? Today's episode is episode 12 of season 2. Is love unity? Damian Marley sings, "Love and unity is what we need upon the street," in his song, "Love and Unity." But are they the same thing? Do they need to be separated? Is love unity? Today on the Love Show, we will find out. I agree that we need love and unity on the street. Everywhere. We need love and unity everywhere. Plur. P-L-U-R. Stands for peace, love, unity, and respect. According to Wikipedia, it's a set of principles associated with the rave culture, supposedly. This universalist philosophy, this is a quote from Wikipedia, this universalist philosophy is underpinning the tribal dance culture, which began circling the globe with the rise of the internet. Theoretically, this philosophy to which they're referring takes precedence over any chemical or musical aspects of the scene. Raves represent a modern ritualistic experience promoting a strong communal sense where P-L-U-R is considered an ideology. Peace, love, unity, and respect. Plur. I worked at raves as a barista, and I worked the door of a few also. They were loud, so we didn't talk or hear much, but I do remember a loving sense of community, and they had these tables where they tested their drugs. I know it seems a little risque and such, but kids were dying. So this was the rave culture's response for these tables, testing tables. They were really particular about not wanting overdoses. No one wanted any overdoses, but particularly like the people hosting the raves, they were hesitant and they were careful. You know, they didn't want to get arrested. They didn't want people ODing in their clubs. So they'd allow these testing tables. And people could discard stuff that was bad and warn others. And they really had this sense of unity, of honesty and unity. But it was Was it really just honesty and unity, or was it love? Were these cats running around actually loving one another? Merriam-Webster defines unity as the quality, 1A, let's start there, the quality or state of not being multiple. Oneness, in all caps. B, 1A, definite amount taken as one or for which one is made to stand in calculation, in math. 2, identity element, all caps and underlined, identity element. 2A, a condition of harmony. B, continuity without deviation or change, as in purpose or action. 3A, the quality or state of being made one. Unification, all caps and underlined. Long definition. A combination or ordering of parts in a literary or artistic production that constitutes a whole or promotes an undivided total effect. Wait, is a rave an artistic production? I would say so. 4, a totality of related parts, an entity that is complex or systematic whole. 5, any of 3 principles of dramatic structure derived by French classicists from Aristotle's Poetics and requiring a play to have a single action represented as occurring in one place and within one day. 6, capitalized a 20th century American religious movement that emphasizes spiritual sources of health and prosperity. Wow. There is a lot there, but not love. There was no love there. But if there is no love, really, in reality, then there is no unity. Author Kemi Shigunli says, and I quote, different plants thrive together in a well-nurtured garden. Just as they thrive, they pass on a message to mankind. God created us all to thrive with one another and planted love in our hearts for this reason. Let's learn to embrace each other, knowing love is all we have to keep us growing and going. Kemi Shigunli. She is not only an author, but also a certified life and relationship expert. I want to repeat that. Different plants thrive together in a well-nurtured garden. Just as they thrive, they pass on a message to mankind. God created us all to thrive with one another and planted love in our hearts for this reason. Let's learn to embrace each other, knowing love is all we have to keep us growing and going. Excuse me. I think love is the seed of unity. Kind of as I found in this love charity episode found charity to also be a seed of love, or love to be a seed of charity. And I found them to be the same thing, but I said I didn't think one was real without the other. Love and charity. Is unity real without love? Is love real without unity? If you only love you, is that really love? Or is love only love when there is more than one? Back to that little anonymous quote I had on my bedroom door when I was a kid. It said, love wasn't put into your heart to stay. Love isn't love until you give it away. I suppose it could be argued that in math, unity can be real without love. But as I understand it, this concept in math, identity element, refers to coupled numbers. I quote, an element of a set that if combined with another element by a specific binary operation leaves the element unchanged, unquote. Wait a minute, doesn't that sound at least a little like love? I believe that was Wikipedia I was quoting. Like one number is loving and protecting another number, almost, leaving it unchanged or unscathed, leaving it loved. What creates the set in the first place? Is it love? Does love create the mother-child set? Another person can come in and be a stepmother, but that won't ever change who the biological mother is. Is that love or nature? Love or math? Is love mathematical? Another love show. I'm not sure if love is mathematical, but there is this force in math. Some have called it dark matter. Sorry, I'm messing with my hair. I shouldn't have done that. Some have called it gravity. Some people say it isn't gravity. I think it might be love. Grand unified theory in particle physics is when at high energy, weak and strong forces merge into one single force. Parent-child relations really come to mind here for me. When we are babies, we are weak. Our parents are strong. We merge and we survive. And we merge with love, right? Having a bad hair day. In our Is Love a Necessity episode, we found that babies would not survive without love. The merging doesn't seem to happen without love. Love is the thing that draws us together. Without the force to draw us together, there would be no unity. So, is love unity? Well, not necessarily, but is unity love? Yes. Unity is made of love. That is what I have found. The force. Gravity, dark matter, which I personally think is a terrible name. That thing out there in the multiverse that draws things together. That holds things together. That, friends, is love. Unity is made of love. Love holds unity together. It's magnetic. And maybe another love show. Unity is made of love. That is my conclusion. Is love unity, though? Yes. I think even in math and physics, love is unity. Love equals unity. That is my conclusion. What is love? It is unity. What is love? Thanks for watching. Keep loving in unison. I love you.